Hey everyone, welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. I am Brielle, and today I'm super excited to dive into the Garmin Bounce Kids Smartwatch, a fun, safe way to keep your kids connected and active. If you're a parent looking for a smartwatch that balances safety, communication, and fitness tracking, stick around to see if this is the one for your family. Let's break down the features. The Garmin Bounce is a swim-friendly smartwatch with a 1.3-inch color touchscreen and up to 2 days of battery life. It offers real-time GPS location tracking so you can check your child's whereabouts through the Garmin Jr app. It also supports two-way text and voice messaging, but only via the app, not regular phone numbers. You can set geofencing boundaries to get alerts when your kid enters or leaves areas like home or school. The watch tracks steps, sleep, and activities like running or biking, and it includes fun games, chores, and rewards to keep kids engaged. A $10 monthly or $100 annual subscription is required for LTE messaging and live tracking. Oh, and there's a manual check-in button for kids to send their location instantly. Now, the pros. The GPS tracking is spot on, making it great for parents who want peace of mind during school or playtime. The messaging is simple. Kids can send voice messages or preset text with just a couple of taps, and there's no internet or social media, so it's super safe. Kids love the colorful design and games, plus it encourages activity with step challenges and virtual rewards. The app is easy to use for parents, letting you manage contacts and chores. It's also durable with 5 ATM water resistance, perfect for active kids. But there are some cons. The battery life is often less than 2 days with heavy LTE use. Some parents report just 6 to 7 hours. The subscription fee adds up, and messaging is limited to the Garmin Jr app, so grandparents or others need to download it. The watch face can feel bulky for smaller kids, and the screen isn't super bright in direct sunlight. Some users also reported occasional GPS glitches or syncing issues. I recommend the Garmin Bounce for parents of kids aged 7 to 11 who want a safe, activity-focused smartwatch with reliable location tracking. It's perfect if you're already in the Garmin ecosystem or want to avoid giving your kid a smartphone. If you need longer battery life or broader messaging options, you might look at alternatives like the TikTok 4. Ready to keep your kid connected and active? Check out the Garmin Bounce using the link in the description for the best pricing and special promotions from Rick's Review Hub. Clicking that link supports our channel at no extra cost to you. Thanks. If you found this review helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.